What's up, fam? Another day. Another dollar. I think this is day 4. I skipped day 3. I didn't have my key yesterday, so I didn't come over here yesterday. So this is technically day 4. And as you see, they are over here getting to work. So show y'all the process. See what's to it. I ordered the windows from Menard, so I'm ordering the material and I'm paying them for the labor. So I ordered the windows from Menard. So as you can see, they take the windows out. This is supposed to be one big window, so I don't know if we're gonna continue to do one big window or if they're gonna take this middle piece out. And then the same for over here. I think it's gonna be one big window as well. What's up, man? That's yeah, that's what we're doing right now. We're doing, like I said, so this is pretty much the project progress. As you guys can see. I don't know what this is. I have no idea. But yeah, we're getting where we're supposed to. I know that this is gonna get redone. This whole window part is gonna get redone. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop out their way for real because I don't wanna. Yeah, I ain't got no parts. I don't have not a work. What's up, man? I don't got not a contractor type of bone in my body. So all of this, not my stilo. I don't know nothing about it. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. So yeah. So all this wood and stuff, I ordered this. And then I ordered some windows as well. So that's currently what it looks like. Like I said, man, I'm gonna take y'all day to day through the process of what it's looking like day after day. As much as I can from over here. I'm actually going to look at other properties right now. So that's probably what I'm gonna add to this vlog. I'm gonna show you guys the other properties I'm looking at. So while this is getting worked on, I'm actively looking for other properties. So yeah, the grind don't stop. And again, I am slowing down right now because I still need to pay our taxes for this year, and that's a lot. So I'm slowing down a little bit. Still on the hunt. If a good deal comes, I'm not gonna let it pass. However, I'm going to allow my business to run, allow this real estate to do what it's doing, and then I think for the end of the year, I'm gonna really start focusing a lot on day trading. So I'm gonna try to focus on making like, a cool amount on day trading as well. So I'm going to take you guys through what the rest of my day looks like. So that's that renovation. Again, I'm not going to be in there too long because I don't want to be in their way. But as you can see, contractors working on the house. I'm going to take you guys to this next property I'm about to go look at, walk you guys through my thoughts on the next property. And then after that, I think it's 2 more properties. So I'm gonna take you guys with 2 more properties just so you guys see the thought process of as we're looking for these houses to purchase, what are some of the things that we're thinking about? What are some of the things that we're looking at and different things like that? So yeah, y'all just stay tuned, man. I'm gonna add that.
So you see there's obviously fire damage.
Yep.
So what you don't want on all the boards is that char, because that weakens the integrity of the board. But you see the floorboards upstairs
Yep.
are not charred.
Yep.
So that's a good thing that we see.
Gotcha.
So that's a creepy room. What's it called?
And how many bedrooms is it?
Resident Evil. Realtor. So you got the kitchen here, and I would probably close the staircase off.
Yep.
Just.
No, yeah, it makes sense.
I think it's a 3-bed.
Yeah, it's like honey house type vibes.
Oh yeah.
Oh man.
So you got a big room here. And you could probably put a master bath in here.
Yeah.
Right there, especially with the plumbing. So it'd be a 3-bed, 2-bath. If you get some good sized rooms, it's just gonna be, obviously it's gonna be a lot of work.
Let's see this room right here. It must have been on fire a while ago because it don't smell like smoke.
Yeah. So, But yeah, there's like stuff. It's like you could, like I would, again, likely make this the master. But this like that wall is because there's a bathtub there. You could knock this wall out, only just put a shower in there, and then that whole area could be a master bath.
Bet.
So
cool.
So like something like this, I would be more of a, because it's like in an area of town that is clearly like money's going into.
Yeah.
So it's a little bit of a safer bet than something like that down the road.
I don't know what's back there.
All right. So like, I mean, rough numbers. I mean, let's say you can get it for 100K.
Yep.
And it's 150 in. You're 250 all in. And if you let's just say you sell it at 299. That's minus fees and stuff. You're probably still walking away with like 30 grand.
Yeah.
Give or take. I think you're going to be closer to 325.
Well, what about? So I'd be thinking about holding and stuff. So what about renting stuff out? So not necessarily this because of the amount that is because of the amount that it is, and how much rent it costs. But even if this was a rental, how does that factor in?
Well, I mean, you just got to run your numbers. Like, because a 3-bed in this area, you're looking at about 1,600. If it's done really nice, probably 1,800. So this one would. I mean, it's just I don't know. I don't know if the numbers would quite work. Yeah. From a rental hold. But then you just think about it, like, okay, so let's say we get it, you buy it, and so by November 1st it's yours. So November, December, January, February, March. Listen to March. And it's sold by April. In 6 months, and you sell it at 325, you would have made 50 grand on your money. Which, if you're all in 250K. 50 grand is 20% on the money that you invested into this property. That, like, making 20% on your money in 6 months. I mean, you're a stock guy. That seems pretty good. Yeah. You know?
Yeah, I think for me, the difference, like, for me, like, right now where I'm at, sounds crazy. I mean, yeah, I'm going to say it anyway. I'm not really into, like, making money right now. I don't think. I'm more into, like, saving money I already got. Because then that's going to cause more problems. You know what I'm saying? The more money I make is going to cause another problem, which I'm trying to limit those problems. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I mean, you don't have to, like, you could still rent it out, for sure. Like, but the thing is like,
the numbers on how much the rent is lower than what.
So it's not necessarily like, I don't necessarily be viewing it as like, I just made $50,000. I would be like, my business just made $50,000 that I can then invest that $50K that I made into other properties. And then you don't have to pay taxes because you continuously invest this money. And then as soon as the tax bill gets too high, then all of a sudden you're like, oh, well, I'm just going to depreciate some of these assets and rent them out, so then you don't have to pay nearly as much taxes.
Would they give you a loan on a house like this that's burnt?
I think so. I would have to talk to Kyle. Like, I think they would, but I'm not 100% on it. Like, you could get a loan. It would just be like you probably heard me say, like a hard money loan. Yeah. Like, they will lend you on this house. Yeah. Because they're not traditional. Gotcha. But like, in an ideal world, like, houses, like, if you could get the cash, like holding costs, because there's a bunch of holding costs that are involved with hard money loans, and then closing costs that are involved, because you typically, I don't know, I mean, your interest rate from a hard money loan is anywhere between 10 to 12%.
Yep.
So you would save all of that money if you could find the cash to put all into this house.
Right.
So that's an ideal world, but it's, I know 250K is probably a little.
All right, on to the next property, y'all. All right, fam, so we came to a second house. So one of my students, I'll be helping her get into real estate. So she is already in real estate. She has 2 properties. We try to get her a 3rd one. And so this is the house. So just letting y'all know what it looks like. We already went through the front door. There she go right there, talking to the realtor. Bedrooms. This is the bathroom. Just take y'all through a quick little run through of what we're looking at. Another bedroom. And then let's go to the kitchen. Got like a little seating area right here. So this is already renovated. So the house that I'm doing, where I'm renovating, they will look similar to these. This house probably did not look like this before, and somebody renovated it, and now it looks like this. So that's similar to, like, remember when I said in the other house, I'm gonna move my kitchen sink over here. If you step back, that's what it looks like. The only difference is I'm gonna take my wall off. And then when I said we're gonna have a smaller window, it'll look similar to that. I like this backyard as well. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Like that. And then the more houses you see, man, the more ideas you get. Now this right here, this washer and dryer setup, it's a little bit weird. Probably want to get a stackable washer and dryer. That's probably all that can fit right there, to be honest. Maybe. So it's a little bit weird, but you can always find a solution to stuff like that. And then down here in the basement is pretty clean. I don't know where the light is at, but as you guys can see, this is the basement. So I ain't gonna go all the way down there. So yeah, wanted to show y'all that, man. That is, oh, I gotta show y'all the porch. The porch got a swing too. So I'm gonna show y'all the porch. But yeah, man. So I looked at like 3 properties for myself today. Went to my property, and then one of my students is trying to help her find a 3rd property.
Or like just over there, your house is like.
This right here is the swing.
I think St. Clair's like.
I was talking about.
So you're probably, you could probably walk to the houses.
So
that you just-
I didn't know that.
Pretty good. All right, so if y'all enjoyed this vlog, man, make sure y'all like and subscribe. Drop a comment in the comment section down below. Let me know what you've been learning from these
Yeah, you
videos,
can walk there.
man. Don't forget to check out the $20 membership. Link in the bio. I teach you guys real estate, and I teach you guys anything that I've ever done as an entrepreneur as well. So
See,
if you want to tap into
I
that,
live
man,
on
link in
your
the
side,
description
so
box
biased
down
on your
below,
side,
man. You
but
can't
they're
do
just,
that.
they've been putting
I
so
love you guys,
much
man.
money
I'm gonna see you
into
guys
it and, like,
in the next
development.
video.
That like this is probably